So we talk about always something called 24-hour circadian rhythm. This is out of 24 hours. What time is you needing sleep? What time your core body temperature has to decline? What time your hormones have to spurt? It's all linked with the circadian rhythm. And the way circadian rhythm works is controlled mostly by genetics, and some of it can be modified by environmental clues. So, what is a biological clock? You must have heard. In our brains, there is a nucleus. There's a spot in the brain called suprachiasmatic nucleus, which has certain genes in it, clock gene, for example, PER2 gene, PER1 or PER3 genes. These genes basically dictate how your body should react to environmental cues, for example, light. And based upon that reaction, our body or our brain decides what time is to sleep, what time our temperature has to decline, what time the hormones have to release. And these genes are also now present. We know that from recent research are present peripherally, for example, in salivary glands, and different organs have their own biological clocks, what time they have to do what activity, what time the stomach has to release the enzymes, the hormones at the maximum speed, what time it has to slow down. Of course, these are related to external cues, what you are eating, what kind of diet you are taking in. So these genes basically define how your body will react.